trusted source for all things home and outdoor living. Today, we delve into a landscaping approach that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also remarkably sustainable and resource efficient: Xeriscape backyard landscaping design ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For homeowners seeking to create a stunning outdoor space while minimizing water consumption, Xeriscaping offers a compelling solution. Let's explore the intricacies of this design philosophy and how it can transform your backyard. To begin, let's clarify the fundamental concept of Xeriscape backyard landscaping design. Xeriscape is more than just planting cacti and succulents. It is a comprehensive system of landscaping that minimizes the need for supplemental irrigation. The term xeriscape originates from the Greek word xeros, meaning dry, combined with landscape. It is a design philosophy centered around water conservation through thoughtful plant selection, efficient irrigation techniques, soil improvement, the use of mulch, appropriate grading, and limited turf areas. A well-executed xeriscape design creates a vibrant and attractive backyard that thrives with minimal water input, making it an environmentally responsible and often cost-effective landscaping choice. It's about working in harmony with your local climate and utilizing plants that are naturally adapted to the region's precipitation patterns. Now, let's discuss the numerous advantages of embracing Xeriscape for your backyard. Opting for a Xeriscape backyard design offers a wealth of benefits that extend beyond just water conservation. Firstly, and perhaps most significantly, it leads to a substantial reduction in water usage, translating to lower water bills and a more sustainable lifestyle. Secondly, Xeriscape landscapes typically require less maintenance compared to traditional lawns and water-intensive gardens. This means less time spent mowing, watering, and fertilizing, freeing up your weekends. Furthermore, plants adapted to arid conditions are generally more resilient to drought and local pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical treatments. A well-designed Xeriscape can also enhance your property's aesthetic appeal, creating unique and textured landscapes that stand out. Finally, by choosing native and drought-tolerant plants, you can support local ecosystems and biodiversity, providing habitats for pollinators and other beneficial wildlife. Creating a visually appealing Xeriscape backyard involves thoughtful design and the incorporation of various decorative elements. While functionality is key in Xeriscape, aesthetics are equally important. To decorate your Xeriscape backyard and make it visually captivating, consider incorporating a variety of textures and colors through your plant selections. Utilize hardscaping elements such as natural stone pathways, patios, and retaining walls to add structure and visual interest. Incorporate decorative gravel or mulch in varying sizes and colors to create patterns and define planting beds. Consider adding focal points like sculptural elements, water features, or designed for minimal water loss, such as fountains with recirculating systems, or unique containers planted with succulents or drought-tolerant flowers. Outdoor lighting can dramatically enhance the beauty of your Xeriscape at night, highlighting textures and creating ambience. Vertical gardening elements, such as living walls with succulents, can also add dimension and visual appeal, especially in smaller spaces. Remember that a well-designed Xeriscape is not monotonous, it's a tapestry of textures, forms, and colors that evolve throughout the seasons. What the best plants for Xeriscape backyard landscaping design? Selecting the right plants is crucial for a successful and thriving Xeriscape backyard. The cornerstone of any Xeriscape design is the careful selection of plants that are well-suited to your local climate and require minimal supplemental water. The best plants will vary depending on your specific region, but here are some general categories and examples of excellent choices for Xeriscape landscaping. First, succulents and cacti. These are iconic Xeriscape plants known for their water-storing capabilities. Examples include agave, aloe, sedum or stonecrop, echeveria, and various opuntia or prickly pear and cereus cacti. Second, ornamental grasses. Many ornamental grasses are drought-tolerant and add beautiful texture and movement to the landscape. Consider feather grass or stipa, blue fescue or Festuca glauca, and little blue stem or Schizocerium scoparium. Third, native and drought-tolerant shrubs. These provide structure and visual interest. Options include lavender or lavandula, rosemary or Salvia rosmarinus, sage or salvia, butterfly bush or buddleja, and various species of ceanothus. Fourth, drought-tolerant ground covers. These help suppress weeds and conserve soil moisture. Consider creeping thyme or Thymus serpyllum, sedum species, an ice plant or Delosperma. Fifth, perennials. Many perennial flowers thrive in dry conditions and add seasonal color. Examples include coneflower or echinacea, yarrow or achillea, blanket flower or gaillardia, and Russian sage or Perovskia atroplicifolia. Sixth, trees. Even trees can be drought-tolerant once established. Options include Palo Verde or Parkinsonia, desert willow or Calopsis linearis, and various species of acacia. When selecting plants, prioritize native species as they are best adapted to your local environment and require the least amount of supplemental care. Always research the specific water needs and mature size of any plant before incorporating it into your xeriscape design. To provide you with practical inspiration, here are 10 excellent xeriscape backyard landscaping design ideas to try for your next project. 1. The Desert Oasis. Focus on a variety of succulents and cacti arranged amidst gravel and rock formations. Incorporate a dry creek bed feature to mimic natural desert washes. Use warm-toned gravel and terracotta pots for an authentic desert feel. 2. Mediterranean Escape. Utilize drought-tolerant Mediterranean plants like lavender, rosemary, and olive trees. Incorporate gravel pathways, stone walls, and perhaps a small, recirculating fountain. Use terracotta and light-colored stone for a bright and airy ambience. 3. Native Prairie Garden. Embrace native grasses and wildflowers that thrive in your local climate. Create naturalistic drifts of plants with winding pathways. This design supports local ecosystems and requires minimal intervention. 4. Succulent Rock Garden. Showcase a diverse collection of succulents and sedums planted in and around rock outcroppings. Vary the sizes and textures of both the plants and the rocks for visual interest. 5. Gravel and Grasses Landscape. Combine different types of decorative gravel with drought-tolerant ornamental grasses for a modern and low-maintenance look. Use clean lines and minimalist hardscaping elements. 6. Terraced Xeriscape. If your backyard has slopes, create terraced planting beds using retaining walls made of natural stone or concrete. Plant drought-tolerant shrubs, ground covers, and succulents on the different levels. This maximizes planting space and prevents erosion. 7. Xeriscape with a fire pit. Design a central gathering area with a fire pit surrounded by drought-tolerant ground covers and low-growing shrubs. Use gravel or decomposed granite for the surrounding hardscape. 8. Vertical succulent walls. Utilize vertical gardening techniques to create stunning walls of succulents. This is ideal for smaller spaces or for adding a unique focal point. Ensure proper drainage for the vertical planters. 9. Xeriscape with edible elements. Incorporate drought-tolerant herbs like thyme and oregano, as well as fruit trees like fig or pomegranate that require minimal water once established. 10. Pollinator-friendly xeriscape. Focus on planting a variety of native, drought-tolerant flowering plants that attract bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects. Include plants with different bloom times to provide continuous food sources throughout the season. As you can see, Xeriscape backyard landscaping offers a beautiful, sustainable, and low-maintenance approach to outdoor design. By understanding the principles of water conservation and selecting the right plants and decorative elements, you can create a stunning backyard oasis that thrives while respecting our precious water resources. We encourage you to consider the benefits of xeriscaping for your own home. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home and garden ideas, and share it with anyone who might be interested in sustainable landscaping. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or your own Xeriscape design tips. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.